Sometimes, in order to learn a foreign language, we have to learn a little more about our native language first, since we use many aspects of grammar intuitively, and since some languages use certain aspects of grammar in different ways than others. In English, word order can change the meaning of a sentence. For example, one of the following sentences is more surprising than the other. Dog bites man, man bites dog. This is because in English, the first noun is the subject, the doer of the verb. And the noun following the verb is the object, what the verb acts on. In this way, English is classified as an SVO language, subject, verb, object. But Latin does not have a fixed word order. The words have to change form in order to tell us what role each word is playing. This might seem strange at first, but we also do this for some words in English. Notice we don't say, I give he the book. We change he to him because it is the recipient, which is also called the indirect object. He is only used when it's the subject. So we have seen that nouns can have three different kinds of jobs in the sentence so far. I, the subject, him, the recipient, and the book, the object, or what the verb acts on. In English, word order tells us everything we need to know about the role each noun is playing. Look at the next sentence. The boy gives the dog the cat. Here, the cat is given to the dog. There's nothing special about each word. We could exchange any of them and the meaning would change. Because in English, the word order determines what role each noun plays in the sentence. In Latin, it is different. The nouns change form in order to indicate what role they play in the sentence, just like he and him. To see how this functions, let's say the previous sentence this way. He gives the cat to the dog. We can switch this around in several different ways, and now the meaning doesn't change. He gives to the dog the cat. To the dog, he gives the cat. All because of the word to. Latin nouns function just like this, but they change the end of the words. Let's go back to our first sentence. Dog bites man. In Latin, we essentially add an M to the end of the word serving as the object. And the subject doesn't change. It's the default or dictionary form of the noun. So we can imagine this sentence becoming dog bites manum. And you see, we could arrange the words any way we want without changing the meaning. Manum dog bites. Bites manum dog. Dog manum bites. These would all mean the same thing, and each noun in the sentence would have a different ending depending on the role it is playing. This means that if we switch the M to dog, as in, man bites dogem, then the meaning switches to the more surprising sentence, man bites dog. Or, instead of he gives the cat to the dog, we could imagine this as, he gives catem dogo. Here the M signifies that the cat is what is being given, and the O on dog signifies that the cat is being given to the dog. This is how the nouns function in Latin, but the problem is that there are so many different endings that it takes a while to learn them all, because not only does each noun have a gender, but there are also different classes. However, in my lessons on YouTube, you will acquire all these forms naturally through stories and simple sentences, which is much more fun than trying to memorize grammar tables. Here's a link to the playlist of easy Latin lessons.